Hi, welcome to my Python tutorial. This video I'll teach you how to create a label widget on a window. So in the previous video I taught you how to create a basic window. The same code I'm going to start with. So first of all need to load the default packages which is required to construct a GUI application. Tkinter is the package. I just need to import it first. So I'm just importing all the classes and then just need to create a window object by using the tk class, instantiate the tk class. Then once it is ready, your window will be ready to pop up, right? So I just need to give a title as well for my window title. So you can give any, even your name. I just give my name blrk window, okay, and then I can set the geometry, that is the size of my window, which decides what's the size of my window. So here I would say that 300 cross 300, that's a some size you can give. Now it is ready. Now it's time to create a label. Okay, L1 is an object, again widget object. I use the class label class label class, and the label class needs basically two parameters. So which window you want to place your label, that's the first parameter, and second one is the text to be displayed for this label widget. So here I would say hello GUI world. That's excellent. Okay, save it and run the code and see. Yeah, my label is not appearing, right? I got created a label, but it is not coming. Fine. So what we can do, right, use a pack. So what this pack is, pack will actually calls the default layout manager, so which basically position or place a widget on the main window. So runs it again now. Yes, I got my label printed on my window, but the size of your text which appears here little size is little less, and the readability is not there. Okay, if you want to increase the readability, size, color, everything, you can do that. For that we need to pass some certain simple parameters. FG, it's a foreground color, it's a parameter we need to pass. I would say FG is green, and background color BG is equal to, I decided to go with pink. You can choose your own color. Then font equal to I need to pass the common font. Okay, I'm using Arial, I would like to use Arial, and the size I decided to go with 50. Fine. Now I got a text label text which is of green in color, and the background is of pink, and font size is of 50, and the font family is Arial. Okay, run the code and see. Wow, the GUI world is again, it's nice. Okay, I got a background color, I got a foreground color. It's nice to, really nice to see that. This is the way you can use a label widget to create what I can say, a text. Okay, text of your size, probably I would say. You can change the size here. It appears in lesser in size. Run it again. Okay, the size of the text got reduced. Fine. Now I just wanted to place a image instead of a label. Instead of this text, I want to keep a what I can say, image for it. Okay, that's also fine. I'll create another program to demonstrate that as well. So how we can do that? Save, and name of the code, I would say that label image, that's fine. And the previous code I just copy for one of time, so I don't want to repeat the same code. Okay, and so the same everything is required. I need to upload set of I need to include set of other packages. So what are the packages I need? Tkinter is needed, and I need import the PAL package. So from that I am importing two classes, that is image class and image TK class. I'll explain that later, what is the use of this two classes. So these two are, I am just uploading it, and then I need to load an image first. So I create an image here, image object. So by using image TK, so image TK module contains a class called photo image. Sorry, photo image. So photo image, it basically, this is a class which is used to display images. Okay, photo image is the class which is basically used to display images. It is capable of reading only GIF and PPM files. That's the reason why we can use another class which is called image, which basically helps us to open any image type from the system. So I would say that image dot open, by default there is a function open available, and you need to provide the path. Now I just go to my file explorer and see what is my car png. Okay, I just copy the file name and put it here. Okay, if it is coming from this is coming from my same path, I made it my program path and my image path are the same. That's why I just simply give the file name. If your image is in some other directory, you just need to give the path, appropriate path. Either in Windows or Linux, you just need to provide the appropriate path or complete path, absolute or whatever you want. You just need to give it. So accordingly, this will go and search in the directory and to open that file for you. Now image TK, what is the purpose of this? It's a module which contains a lot of support to create and modify images for the Tkinter, so that the Tkinter window can show these images for you. That's a only difference. So that's the reason why I have initially loaded this packages here, PAL. From PAL I just imported image and image TK. But these two are only sufficient. Why I am not using a star? It will unnecessarily load all the other modules as well as other classes from PAL package. So I just need only image and image TK. Basically image TK is in a module, and photo image is a class which is capable of opening only GIF and PPM images. That's the reason why I'm using image open. So and also image open, you just to for this open method you just need to pass the path of your image. Okay, in the label as usual. So what I need to do a change is you just need to say that okay, this is the place where my okay, and yeah, this all I need to remove it, and what I need to do is I just need to say that image equal to img. That's the only parameter I need to pass, and pack it automatically. It will pack it on the corresponding window. Yeah, that's cool. I got it. Okay, that's a way you can load an image and display an image. So thank you for watching.